first thing you want to do is find ghost pipe. So luckily for me, there. So these are what you're going to look for and look through. So what you can do is you can take a peek a little bit, take a look down, and they'll turn blue or purple, and that's how you'll know. And that one looks pretty good. That's how you'll know if they're packing the punch you want. So gently remove it, and you should have that corkscrew. So it's hard to see for you guys, but it's definitely purple. So that is exactly what you would want. You don't want that to be white. That is a perfect ghost pipe. So what you want to do is gently wash these. The old wives' tale of tincturing the field is a thing of the past. So you see all this dirt and debris. There's ants. A lot of times there's eggs and spiders. There's things that live inside of these flower petals that come out as you wash. So bringing them home and rinsing them does not hurt the medicinal value of this plant. If you know where it magically goes within the 30 or 40 minutes it took for me to get this from the soil to where we are now, please let me know. But this is completely fresh, and we just do a light rinse. And while you're doing this, maybe you're looking for some imperfections. See these darker roots? These are actually this is the most medicinal part of the plant. So these are nice. These are really fresh, and I'm very happy. I usually use a paper towel too, just to let them air dry. These aren't too dirty. From experience, if you collect them from pine needles, it's a lot more washing. This is pretty simple. Okay, so now that you have an amount, the common question is, how much do you fill? So if you have this odd amount, what you want to do is fill it until it floats or rises, or maybe about an inch above your flower. So it's pretty simple steps. And that is about perfect inch. And we are using 190 high proof solvent. Okay, this is very simple.